welcome to MarineMax Dallas. I'm Chris Harding, and today we're on a Sea Ray 23 SPX. Cool thing about this boat, you have a really nice swim platform back here, covered with the Mocha Sea Deck. It's got a really nice flip down submersible step that can go down inside the water. It's great to sit on, great for your dogs to be able to crawl out on if you've got big dogs, or it's great for you and me to crawl out on. The back sun pad raises up into a back seating area, or you can leave it flat and just have a really nice lounge pad area. This boat also comes with a recessed ski tow eye, a transom stereo remote, port side walkthrough into the boat makes it nice. You don't have to crawl over all of your upholstery and your cushions. And there is a ton of room in the layout of this 23 SPX. Great seating all the way around it. Built-in cooler. You also have a removable cooler down under here. Woven seagrass flooring so that you don't have carpet in here anymore. No more mildewing, no more smelling. Two nice captain's chairs, both of them have flip-up bolsters. This 23 SPX we optioned with the Simrad dash, so there's no actual gauge clusters. Everything is inside the Simrad. You've got your GPS, your chart plotter, your fish finder, your tachometer, your speedometer, everything that you need inside this really clean looking dash. As we make our way into the bow, great area, great room, more storage under both sides. This boat is equipped with LED lighting throughout. So really nice time at nighttime to go out and enjoy some blue LED lights. Thanks for joining me today on this Sea Ray 23 SPX. Again, I'm Chris Harding. We'd love for you to give us a call or come in and get more information on it, allow us to walk you through it. If you have any questions, you can reach us at 972-436-9979, or you can get on our website at marinemax.com. Thanks and have a great day.